Hi, thanks for dropping by. I hope you need a good laugh today because trying to become a content creator is an interesting world if you haven't done it before. If you're just starting out, I hope you find this enjoyable. And if you're already at the top of your game, you might have a little chuckle, and I'm sure you can relate to what I've been going through. In any event, the following are my trials and tribulations of trying to get an ending on one of my videos. After 7 tries, it was quite the endeavor, but I did it. So it's not that I don't follow all of you guys out there. I follow quite a few of you, actually. I took the Content Creators 7-day or 14-day course, I should say. It was enjoyable. I'm still learning, and I have used our friends at Tube Buddies to help me along and get my videos going. I've given credit to both of them down below, and both are excellent, excellent teams doing different types of work. I've watched people like Kevin Colby, who is a really good content creator, and I've learned a lot from Kevin. Although he says, make sure you get started in your 40s because anybody older than your 40s can also start a YouTube channel of your own. Well, I'm in my 70s and I decided I'm going to do this, and that's all there is to it, even if there are a few laughs along the way at my expense. I also follow Silver and Solo, and I've given her credit on my video description below as well. Kevin Statford, he's excellent. Really enjoy his videos a lot too. Anyway, the list goes on. There's so many creative people out there. So enjoy this video. I hope you get a good chuckle out of it. My next video will be a little more serious and back to earth as far as technology goes for us senior citizens. Have a great day, everyone. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Yeah. 3, 2, 1. I hope you enjoyed today's video. 3, 2, 1. Well, that's it for another video. I hope you enjoyed the video. Video. 3, 2, 1. Well, that's it for another video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget and leave a like and a subscribe, and also a comment if you'd like to see something specific. Stupidos. Okay, let's do this again. Maybe this one will actually stick. All right, 3, 2, 1. I hope you enjoyed the video today. No, it's not it. 3, 2, 1. That's it for another video, folks. I hope you enjoyed it. I enjoyed delivering it to you. So don't forget, leave a like and a subscribe. And this is getting really weird. So we'll just keep on doing it till we get it totally right. 3, 2, 1. Well, that's it for another video. I hope you enjoyed it. I enjoyed bringing it to you today. Don't forget, subscribe and like if you enjoyed what you saw, so I can bring more content to you. And don't hesitate to leave me a comment below, letting me know what else you might like to see in the future. Thank you very much, everybody.